This is my Husqvarna tractor, similar to the Craftsman. Problem I was having is my battery would not stay charged, and it's only a 2-year-old battery. I was going to replace it, but before I did, I put it on the charger. It took a full charge. I was mowing, and when I would shut the mower off, the battery would be dead, so it was not charging. And then one time I was mowing, and the mower quit running. The magnetic solenoid disengaged, and then the battery again was dead. So troubleshooting, I checked the fuse. The fuse was blown. I have the fuse mounted on the outside right here, and it's easy access. It's a 30 amp fuse that's in there, automotive type fuse. Replace that, it blows right away. So then what I did is I troubleshot. The tractor would run until the mower deck would be engaged. That was telling me that the electromagnet for the clutch was not functioning. So I crawled underneath, inspected the wiring, and found two areas on the wires that were mechanically damaged and wires were exposed. That was shorting the battery. Let's crawl underneath and see what we can find. I'm under the tractor. This is the drive from the motor. Over top is the electromagnet, and right here is where the wires go in, and right here, I'm trying to point it out, one of the wires, the insulation is off, a small spot right where my nail is touching, and that was what was shorting this out and blowing the fuse. This might be a closer view. Right here, both wires have a worn spot, and I can feel the exposed wire. Here's a repair. I put a lot of tape on it. Now what I'll do is I'll zip tie it up against the frame so it doesn't come down. This bar right here is part of the steering, and that moves, so we don't need anything touching it. Okay, let me put that together, fire it up, and see if it works. That's it. Mower is working, and that's a common error, mechanical short of the wires. So easy fix. Didn't have to take anything apart, just had to run the tractor up on ramps to get underneath. A little tight on the wiring, but it's a lot less work than having to remove that electromagnet clutch. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.